Attorney, kailangan ba talaga ng building permit kahit na nakatayo na ang bahay? Naka-receive po kasi ako ng notice of violation.
Okay, so under PD 1096 or the National Building Code, as a general rule, before you construct a building, you must secure a building permit. This is expressly provided under Section 301 of the National Building Code. Now, what if nakatayo na ang bahay? So, if nakatayo na ang bahay at merong kang ginawang major repairs, major alterations, or major construction sa bahay mo, then yes, you are still required to secure a building permit kahit na nakatayo na ang bahay mo. Okay, take note, required kang kumuha ng building permit if major construction or major renovation, alterations ang gagawin mo sa bahay mo. Okay? So the purpose why we are required to secure a building permit is to ensure that the proposed building complies with the regulations or with the building codes, and of course, to ensure the safety and the integrity of the building. Now, if you fail to secure a building permit prior to the construction, the violator under the National Building Code may suffer a penalty of a fine or imprisonment of not less than 2 years, or both fine and imprisonment. Okay, so I hope that's clear. And that's it for Let's Talk Legal with Attorney Zai.